YouTubers, welcome to Yasmine's cooking show. This is episode 13. We continue our seafood series today with salmon paired with Asian greens, dumplings in a delicious Vietnamese broth. Salmon, known in French as saumon, gets its red pink color from what it eats. The color of its flesh is based on its diet. Now, we've heard the term, the phrase, we are what we eat. Well, the same philosophy applies to salmon. Our 1 pound salmon here has a dark flesh because it was marinated in 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. And now we're going to saute our fish in some olive oil. Sauteing requires a small amount of fat in high heat. And here we go. Salmon takes very little time to cook, and it's done when it flakes with a fork.